Hi, hello guys, this is Vijay, chemistry lecturer from Ailebad Junior College. As you know that we have started our NEET series. Based on that, we are discussing about NEET chemistry and NEET biology in detail with each and every chapter. In that category, today we are going to discuss about NEET chemistry unit 3 periodic classification. From this particular unit, we are going to discuss about few important topics. Let's start. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about Unit 3 periodic classification. In this particular unit, we are going to discuss about what are the major defect of Mendeleev periodic table. So, in the previous video we have discussed about the need for classification of elements or framing of periodic table, and also the historical development of periodic table. So, in that we have discussed in detail about Dauber-Innes triads, Luther-Mayer's curve, and Newland's octaves law, and Lavoisier's classification, de Chant-Courtiers classification. So these all we have discussed in detail, and finally we discussed about Mendeleev periodic table also. So in that category today we are going to discuss about what are the major defect of Mendeleev periodic table. So let us see one by one. So the first and fourth most important point in the defect of Mendeleev periodic table is position of hydrogen. Position of hydrogen. Okay, let us see. So according to this Mendeleev periodic table, you see the hydrogen which is placed in group 1, however it resembles or it looks similar in the characteristic features of the elements of group 1 alkali metals as well as the elements which are present in the group 7th A halogens. Okay, so therefore the position of the hydrogen in the periodic table is not correctly defined or correctly placed. You can see there the hydrogen that could show the dual characteristic features of group 1 alkali earth metals and also group 7th A halogens. That is the reason which is not particularly or distinctly placed or distinctly it is not determine the position of the hydrogen. So that is one of the major defect of Mendeleev periodic table. And next one is about anomalous pair. Okay, what do you mean by this anomalous pair? Let us see. Okay, if you see there are certain pairs of elements when it is in increasing order of the atomic mass that was not obeyed according to this Mendeleev periodic table. In these cases, the Mendeleev who placed such elements according to the similarities in their property and also not in increasing order of their atomic mass. Say for example, you can see argon, its atomic mass 39.9. Okay, so argon, its atomic number is 39.9. Like this is placed before the potassium, but let us see the atomic mass or atomic weight of potassium, that is 39.1. so potassium, that is 39.1, which is placed after this argon, but argon which is placed before this potassium, 39.9. so this is one reason distinct places of such an elements could be not perfect. Okay, say for example, one more example like cobalt. Cobalt's atomic mass, that is 58.9. Okay, cobalt 58.9 cobalt atomic mass. And this cobalt which is placed before the nickel, nickel's atomic mass you see, that is 58.6. This is what nickel. If you see this also it is not correlated, and also cobalt which is placed before this nickel, though it has more atomic mass as comparing to this nickel. Okay, so similarly we can see one more example with this tellurium. Tellurium, its atomic mass, that is 127.6, which is placed before iodine, that is what, 126.9. Okay, so this is also one of the example. We can see like, yes, tellurium and iodine. Tellurium, you can see there the atomic mass of tellurium, that is 127.6, and similarly you can see iodine, its atomic mass is 127.9. So here also we have a confusion that these are the elements are placed incorrectly. Okay, so their positions were not justified. So this is one of the major defect in Mendeleev periodic table. So anomalous pairs, these are the pairs there we could able to see which are the elements those atomic mass is more than the elements those atomic mass is less, to be placed in front of those elements. So that is one of the major defect of Mendeleev periodic table. Their particular positions are not justified or not well determined. Okay, next talking about the position of isotope. This is also one of the major defect in Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, position of isotope. See, you know what is isotope? Earlier we have discussed in the unit 2. Isotopes, these are the atoms of the same element. They are having the different atomic mass but same atomic number. Their atomic mass are different but the atomic number are same. So according to Mendeleev classification, these isotopes should be placed at different places depending upon their atomic masses, but it could be not possible. You know, for example, like, you know, isotopes of hydrogen, let us talk about. So hydrogen has 3 different atomic masses: protium, tritium and deuterium. So 3 different atomic mass which are similarly denoted as 1, 2 and 3. Hydrogen has 3 different isotopes, and these 3 isotopes of hydrogen which should be placed at 3 places. However, the isotopes have not been given separate places in the periodic table, which is not justified as comparing to the other reasons for the defect of Mendeleev periodic table. So that is one of the major defect for the Mendeleev periodic table. So position of isotopes, I mean the element that possesses different atomic mass number of its isotopes which are not being placed in different places. So that is one of the major defect. Okay, so now let us see the fourth important point of the defect of Mendeleev periodic table. According to this, you can see there are some elements which are similar characteristic feature, but those elements are separated apart from the similar elements, and dissimilar elements which are grouped according to the other elements together. So that is one of the major defect that could be seen in Mendeleev periodic table. Say for example, some of the similar elements that were placed in different groups, they must be belong to the same group, but so they were placed in different groups, while some dissimilar elements, the elements which are not similar to each other, that had been grouped together. You can see the example of copper and mercury. Okay, so copper and mercury which are resembled in their property, but they had been placed in 2 different groups. You can see there. Okay, copper and mercury. So these are the 2 different elements, but they have, in some cases they have the similar properties and similar characteristic features, but these 2 different elements were being placed in 2 different groups. Similarly, the elements of group 1A elements, say for example like lithium, sodium and potassium, alkali metals, these were grouped with this copper, silver and gold, but their properties are quite different. Say for example like lithium, sodium and potassium, these are not exactly matched with the elements of copper, silver and gold. These are totally different. So their properties are also quite different. So these are also one of the major example of the defect of similar elements and dissimilar elements which were kept separated. So that is one of the major defect. Next, talking about periodicity. So next one is talking about periodicity. What is the meaning of periodicity? Actually, the periodicity among the elements that could be not explained in detail are well defined by Mendeleev periodic table. So that is one of the major issue as one of the defect of this Mendeleev periodic table. Periodicity is not well defined in every elements which were placed in different groups. Similarly, the last category of the defect of Mendeleev periodic table is lanthanide and actinides. So, how we discussed the first and fourth most important defect of Mendeleev periodic table of position of hydrogen. Similarly, position of lanthanide and actinide are also been, a controversy that could be seen in Mendeleev periodic table. Say for example, the 14 elements following this lanthanum, this particular group is called as a particular species, it is called as lanthanides. They were starting from the atomic number of 58 to 71. Okay, so lanthanides which are starting from 58 to 71. Similarly, the 14 elements which is following a set of species are called as actinum or actinides. Those starts from 90 to 103. Okay, now let us see these two different set of elements. They have not been given separate places in the Mendeleev periodic table because they were included in between the periodic table. So that is also one of the major issue for the defect of Mendeleev periodic table. So these all are the major reason of the defect of the Mendeleev periodic table. Okay, so now let us have a quick review about this defect of Mendeleev periodic table. They are position of hydrogen. Though the hydrogen element which is placed in number one element in the periodic table, but they possesses two different groups elements characteristic features. So that place is still it is in controversy. Similarly, talking about anomalous pair. So these all are the few examples for anomalous pair. These anomalous pairs are the elements those atomic mass which is higher that been placed before the atomic mass which has the lower. Yes, similarly, position of isotope. The position of isotopes are not well defined or not justified in the Mendeleev periodic table. So that is one of the major defect of Mendeleev periodic table. We have discussed with one example of hydrogen. The hydrogen that could have three different masses of 1, 2, 3 respectively, protium, deuterium and deuterium. So these are the hydrogen isotopes, but they were not placed separately in the periodic table and their places were not justified. Next, talking about the similar and dissimilar elements. There are some elements which are having the similar characteristic feature like physical and chemical characteristic feature, but they were placed in the different group. Similarly, the elements which are different group, there you can able to see the elements that could be added in the similar type of the element. So that is also one of the major issue for this Mendeleev periodic table. Next, talking about periodicity, it is not well defined in Mendeleev periodic table. And finally, position of lanthanides and actinides. So lanthanum, these are the set of species from the atomic number element from 58 to 71. Similarly, actinides, their atomic number from 90 to 103. So they are also not positioned well in the Mendeleev periodic table. So these all are the major defect of Mendeleev periodic table. Let us talk about the next topic from this particular unit, that is long form of periodic table. That is what the modern periodic table. So let us see its characteristic feature. Okay, right. So before going to start about this long form of periodic table, first of all we should know about the relation of atomic number and atomic mass of each and every element. In the year 1913, yes, Moseley, who was an young English physicist who discovered the relationship between X-ray spectra and also the atomic number of the elements. According to him, when the high energy of the electrons that were focused on a target that is made up of elements under study, and these X-rays were generated, and when he studied the frequencies of these X-rays, the emitted from the elements that were observed, that the frequency of the prominent X-ray emitted by an element, okay, that was proportional to the atomic number and not to atomic weight. So he gave a general equation of square root of V is equal to A into Z minus B. So according to him, the elements to be arranged according to the atomic number, not according to the atomic mass. So this particular equation of Moseley, who discovered this particular X-ray experiment, he would conclude that the atomic number and not atomic weight is the fundamental property of the atom. For any atom, the basic or the fundamental properties are atomic number, not atomic weight. Okay, that to be concluded. So as the acceptance of this atomic number theory based on Moseley's experiment of X-ray emitted experiment, Mendeleev, the modern periodic table that could be framed. Okay, so this modern periodic table, it has a law that could state as the physical and the chemical properties of the element, which are periodic functions of their atomic number, not atomic mass. Okay, so this is the major, the principle based on this modern periodic law, the periodic table to be framed. Okay, now let us see the long form of periodic table in detail. So according to this modern periodic law, you see, this law that could implies that the physical and the chemical properties of the element that could be depend on atomic number, and this dependency that could show the periodicity. So this could also character periodicity that could not be well defined by Mendeleev in his periodic table. Okay, consequently, when the elements which are arranged in the order of their increasing atomic number, that could be observed that the elements of similar properties recur at a regular periodicity or the regular interval of the periodic table. As a result of this, the elements that could fall in certain groups that could lead to the arrangement of this periodic table. So finally, the periodic table that could be formed based on the increasing order of the atomic number, not increasing order of the atomic weight. Okay, so with the modern periodic law as one of the major guideline, as a principle, and the modern theory of atomic structure, and many new forms of periodic table that have been proposed from time to time, finally the general plan of the table that has remained the same as the proposed by the Mendeleev, and with few corrections, and this particular periodic table to be called as the long form periodic table. Okay, so based on this Moseley's experiment of X-ray emitted experiment, that could help us to form or to frame the long form periodic table or modern periodic table according to the increasing order of the atomic number of elements. So now, so far guys, we have discussed few major topics from unit 3, classification of elements and periodic properties in detail, and this particular unit we will continue with one more video. Until then, thank you guys.